Hello, welcome to Throwing Up Bricks. I'm Steve. Today we're working on a Creator 3-in-1 build. This is set 31160. You have your option of any of these three items: race plane, fighter jet, or helicopter. Right now we're going to do the helicopter. So we got the instruction booklet for that. And if for these 3-in-1 builds, you're going to get all the pieces for all three sets. So be sure after you finish one set, if you want to build the others, don't throw away the extra pieces, because you may need them for one of the other builds. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there's your helicopter, and the rest of the instructions are how to build the stand. So we got the helicopter on the little stand, the helicopter blade and everything spins around. Nice little set. So I'm going to go ahead and dismantle this one, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do the fighter plane. So that's the fighter jet, two of the three builds in this 3-in-1 set. So go ahead and dismantle this one and put together the last one, the race plane. So there you have it. There's the race plane. So that's the third build of the 3-in-1. All you gotta do is just mount that on the stand, and there you have it. So once again, that's build or set number 31160, the race plane, the Creator 3-in-1. So that was all three builds. Which one would you build if you were going to leave it in one piece? Would you leave it as the race plane, fighter jet, or the helicopter? Personally, I think I like the race plane a little bit better than the other two, but the easiest of the three builds I'd say is the helicopter. It uses fewer pieces, but you can't go wrong with any of them. So that concludes today's build. Once again, this is Throwing Up Bricks. My name's Steve. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and the notification bell for our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next build.